Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating and transformative topic, how to disappear and transform yourself. Don't worry, I'm not talking about vanishing into thin air. This is all about reinventing yourself, stepping away from the past, and becoming the best version of you. So, if you're ready to take control of your life and start fresh, let's get into it. The first step in this journey is to understand why you feel the need to disappear. Are you trying to escape a toxic environment, break free from old habits, or maybe step away from a version of yourself that no longer serves you? Knowing your why will give you clarity and direction for your transformation. So grab a notebook and jot down your reasons. Remember, this isn't about running away from problems. It's about creating space to grow and thrive. Next, it's time to declutter, both physically and digitally. Let's start with your physical space. Get rid of items that remind you of the past or weigh you down emotionally. Donate clothes you don't wear, organize your workspace, and simplify your surroundings. Then, tackle your digital life. Delete old social media accounts you don't use. Unsubscribe from emails that clutter your inbox, and organize your digital files. This step is all about creating a clean slate. Now comes the fun part, crafting your new identity. Who do you want to be? What values do you want to embody? Take some time to visualize the life you want to live. Create a vision board, write down your goals, and start building a roadmap to get there. This step isn't about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about aligning your actions with the person you aspire to become. To truly transform, you need to set boundaries and let go of what's holding you back. This might mean distancing yourself from toxic relationships, saying no to things that drain your energy, or forgiving yourself for past mistakes. Remember, it's okay to prioritize yourself. In fact, it's necessary for growth. Finally, it's time to take action. Start small, but be consistent. Pick up habits that align with your goals, like exercising regularly, learning new skills, or practicing mindfulness. Celebrate your progress and keep pushing forward. Transformation doesn't happen overnight, but every step you take brings you closer to the person you want to be. Trust the process and stay committed. And that's it for today's video. Remember, disappearing and transforming isn't about erasing your past. It's about evolving into the best version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.